Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACBFF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's monster move, sure, these lines still do pertain. They're just not really relevant, so I'm going to do some house cleaning and just get rid of them. And again, sure, they pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. One of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, when you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $11.20. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if the price falls below $11.20 that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to actually stay up above the $11.20 mark, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at 1075. So 1120 and 1075, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? Again, yeah, sure, staying above 1120, that would be awesome. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, party stopped today during the final 30 minutes right up around 1175, so that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, resistance levels really don't matter that much because as long as the price continues to build higher bases like it's been doing, then everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. But yeah, what a great way to start off the week. Still 4 days left, so we'll see what's in store. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.